Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to be discussing how I achieved this pedicure during quarantine. It's for my 11-year-old daughter. We were bored of sitting in the house, so we just wanted to get out a little bit, and plus I miss being in the salon. And let's go ahead on and get into the video of what I did. Alright, so first I started off, I just got a metal pan that I had at the house. I had some foot soap, a little Epsom salt. We added our water in. And if you can see, her toes are in dire need of some help. So, as you can see, she has an extensive amount of callus built up around her toes. Her toenails are long. And she just wanted to get them done. She had been asking me, but I hadn't made the time. Unfortunately, I don't know why, but I guess with everything that's going on, I've been trying to run to the grocery stores and all that other stuff. You know, life get you. So since we didn't have anything to do, this beautiful Sunday, we went out on the porch and got some natural sunlight just to get out the house a little bit. So what I'm first start doing is I'm going to head on and clip her toenails and get those done. And then after we clip her toenails, we're going to go ahead on and push her cuticles back. And as you can see, if you continue to watch throughout the video, you'll see how I achieve the pedicure. And if it's something else in detail that I want to tell you guys about, I will go ahead on and hop back on. But I'm not going to talk your ears off. So go ahead on and enjoy. Alright, I also wanted to inform you guys, if you like this video, go ahead on and hit that like button so that you can receive more content like this. Also, if you're new to my channel, go ahead on and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead on and hit that notification bell for any new videos that I upload. So here I just wanted to jump back on and say that I was using the hand file just to slightly push the cuticles back. I know it looks very, very aggressive. However, it's not. Wouldn't do anything to cause harm or damage to her. So I just wanted to hop back on and let you guys know that. Alright guys, so right here what I'm doing is go ahead on and I'm just going to do a scrub on the bottom of her feet. She's 11 years old, so she really doesn't have any calluses or anything, and plus she's like super ticklish. I also wanted to address the fact that I use the cuticle nippers. That's my personal preference on her today. She had a lot of dead skin that was hanging, and I chose to remove it that way. I did not have an e-file at home to remove the cuticle, so the only thing that I had was the traditional old school cuticle removers, and I just clipped away the dead skin. Nothing more. Only things that were hanging at that moment. So again, yeah, I'm applying some cream at the bottom of her feet and just smoothing the bottom of her foot, and then I'm gonna go in with a scrub to exfoliate her skin and around her toenails. And I had a few extra pieces that I needed to get after I did the scrub around her cuticle area, and I nipped those with the nipper, and we'll go from there. Okay guys, so at this point I am wiping off any residue from any oils or anything that I may have put on her. My daughter likes to wear gel polish on her toes. She doesn't like to sit still and go for a regular polish, so she likes to opt in for gel polish. So she picked like a yellow and a turquoise color and just said do something with it. So I'm applying the base coat, and I cure in between each layer of polish that I'm gonna put on, and I did a simple flower design on her toes as well. So yeah, and I also used 2 coats of polish during this process. Alright, so now I'm gonna get ready to start to put the flowers on her. So let me give y'all a little FYI as well that I did not know. So either though we were outside, it wasn't really hot, it was really nice, breezy, and I had my gel polish pods out, and they start to harden, and they weren't even in the sun. So if you decide to do something like that, I suggest you probably use maybe an acrylic paint, something that can dry real quick, or just kind of lightly go ahead on a dab and do whatever color that you're going to use, because I'm gonna have to replace my fuchsia color. I could not get any more paint. It just kept drying out on me for some strange reason. But yeah, I suggest you don't do that. Alright, so this concludes the end of the video. As you can see, her toes came out really pretty. She was like, "Mommy, I have new feet again." So she was very excited and happy to have that. So if you guys like this video, go ahead on and hit that like button. Go ahead on and hit the subscribe button as well. And follow me on all social media platforms at Polish Addict. And turn on that post notification bell. I hope to see you guys in my next video.